What's the meaning of artificial language? Artificial language. Artificial language.
Artificial language. Artificial language. Artificial language refers to a constructed language that is created by humans rather than evolving organically over time like natural languages. Artificial languages are designed for various purposes, including international communication, fiction writing, and mathematical precision. They often have simplified grammar and syntax and may borrow elements from existing languages. Examples of artificial languages include Esperanto, Klingon, and Longman. While some artificial languages are widely used, many remain obscure and unknown to the general public.